forget what you think you know about Thanksgiving. Did you realize this holiday of gratitude is also a massive traffic nightmare, a presidential pardon spectacle, and a football frenzy? Get ready to uncover the surprising truths behind North America's iconic feast. Hello, amazing viewers. Welcome to White Eagle. Today, we are going to talk about a very special holiday. It is called Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving is a very big holiday in North America. It is a holiday about saying thank you. It is about being grateful. This holiday has a long and interesting story. We will explore this story together. Are you ready? Let's go. First, let us talk about the history of Thanksgiving. It is a complex story. It is not just one simple story. Many years ago, travelers came from Europe. They came to North America. They were called Pilgrims. They traveled on a big ship called the Mayflower. This was a very long journey. When they arrived, they were tired. They were hungry. They did not know how to grow food in this new land. It was very difficult. But then, Native Americans helped them. The Native Americans were very kind. They taught the Pilgrims how to grow food. They taught them how to hunt. They showed them how to live in the new land. This help was very important. It saved the Pilgrims. Because of this help, the Pilgrims had food. They had a good harvest. They were very thankful. So, they had a big meal together. They ate with the Native Americans. This was one of the first Thanksgiving celebrations. It was a day to give thanks. It was a day for gratitude. Many years later, there was a big war in America. It was the Civil War. During this war, a very important president made a decision. His name was Abraham Lincoln. President Lincoln said that Thanksgiving should be a national holiday. He wanted people to have a day to give thanks. He wanted people to feel grateful. So, he started the modern Thanksgiving holiday. This was a very important step. It made Thanksgiving a special day for everyone in the United States. It became a day for giving thanks. It became a day for families. Now, let's talk about Thanksgiving today. The holiday is celebrated in two main countries, the United States and Canada. They have the same spirit of thanks, but they celebrate on different dates. This is an interesting fact. In the United States, Thanksgiving is on the fourth Thursday in November. It is a federal holiday. What does federal holiday mean? It means that most people get the day off from work. Schools close. Banks close. It is a special day for everyone to be home. People travel to see family. They gather together. It is a very important day for families in America. They celebrate with a big meal. They feel thankful for good food. They feel thankful for good times. They feel thankful for their family. In Canada, Thanksgiving is also a very important holiday. But it is on a different day. In Canada, Thanksgiving is on the second Monday in October. It is earlier than in the US. Canadians also have a day off from work. They also gather with family and friends. They also share a big meal. The spirit is the same. It is a day to say thank you. It is a day to feel grateful for the good things. Both countries share this feeling of thanks. They share the tradition of a special meal. So, what do people eat on Thanksgiving? Oh, the food is amazing. The most important food is turkey. A big roasted turkey. Turkey is like the unofficial mascot of Thanksgiving. Many families eat mashed potatoes. They eat stuffing. They eat gravy. They eat vegetables. And for dessert, delicious pies. Apple pie, pumpkin pie, pecan pie. Every family has its own special recipes. These recipes pass from parents to children. They are family secrets. The food is a big part of the celebration. It shows abundance. It shows that people have enough. It shows they are thankful for what they have. But Thanksgiving is more than just food. Yes, there is more. There are other fun traditions. One big tradition is football. American football and Canadian football are very popular sports. On Thanksgiving Day, many families gather around the television. They watch football games. They cheer for their favorite teams. It is a fun way to spend time together. It is exciting. Another exciting tradition is parades. In the United States, there is a very famous parade. It is the Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade. It happens in New York City. It is a very big parade. There are huge balloons. There are marching bands. Many people watch it on TV. It is a big show. Canada also has parades. For example, during the Kitchener-Waterloo Oktoberfest. Parades make the holiday very festive and fun. They bring joy to many people. And here is a very funny tradition. It is called the Presidential Turkey Pardon. Every year, the President of the United States receives some turkeys. These turkeys are usually for the Thanksgiving dinner. But the President does something special. He pardons 1 or 2 turkeys. To pardon means to forgive. So, these turkeys do not get cooked. They get to live a happy life on a farm. It is a light-hearted ceremony. It makes people smile. It is a special and funny part of the holiday. Now, let's talk about something less fun, but very real. Thanksgiving is one of the biggest travel times of the year. Many people travel. They go home to visit their families. They travel by car. They travel by plane. They travel by train. This means one thing: heavy traffic. Very, very busy roads. Long lines at airports. It can be a real headache. So, if you plan to visit North America during Thanksgiving, remember this. Expect many, many people traveling. Plan your trip early. It is the real cost of gratitude. Many people want to be with family. So, they travel. So, Thanksgiving started with religious meaning. It started with pilgrims giving thanks to God. But today, it is mostly a secular holiday. This means it is not just for one religion. It is for everyone. It is a day for all families. It is a day to come together. It is a day to focus on food. It is a day to focus on tradition. People share what they are grateful for. They are grateful for their health. They are grateful for their family. They are grateful for their friends. It is a day for love and togetherness. It is a beautiful tradition. It brings people closer. It makes people happy. It is truly a special day for North America. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Don't get stuck in traffic this Thanksgiving. Hit subscribe to White Eagle for more insights into global holidays.